fell in love with it. It's so pretty. So here's me wearing it on my fingers. This is 2 coats. Hey guys, my name is Allie, and today I'm going to be raving about my favorite nail polish of all time. It's Essie Ballet slippers. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a really soft, beautiful, delicate pink. And no, before you come after me, this video is not sponsored. I just really love this nail polish. So I don't know if some of you know the backstory behind this nail polish and why it's so popular. This is the only nail polish that Queen Elizabeth will put on her fingers ever. It started in the 80s. She actually reached out to the founder of Essie and requested a nail polish. So the founder of Essie, she created this nail polish because it reminded her of when she was young and she would have tea parties with her mom and, you know, wear ballet slippers, hence the name. So yeah, Queen Elizabeth wears it, Meghan Markle wears it, she wore it to her wedding, Kate Middleton wears it. This is just the royal family staple nail polish. And also celebrities wear it now too. It was mentioned in The Devil Wears Prada. This is just a really popular nail polish. So of course that led me to try it, and I just fell in love with it. It's so pretty. So here's me wearing it on my fingers. This is 2 coats. I'm in editing right now, and I just have to mention, because I forgot to, because I know y'all are going to chew me out in the comments if I don't say it. Yes, I am wearing nail polish on my fingers in that video. It doesn't look like it because that's the point. It's supposed to be very sheer and just glossy. If you do want it to be a little more opaque, I recommend pairing it with 1 coat of the Essie Marshmallow underneath and then 2 coats of the ballet slippers on top. It will be very opaque in this color. But if you just wear 2 coats of this alone, it will look really sheer and just kind of like there's nothing on your nails, with just I don't know how to explain it, just a little bit of shininess and glossiness and a slight tint of this. So yeah, just have to mention that. It's just so pretty. And something I've noticed about it is this, I don't know if you can tell on camera how glossy it is. The texture is just, it feels almost like a gel, even though it's not a gel, but it just has a very salon style finish. And just 2 coats like this will last me about 2 weeks, which is amazing. That's so long lasting. And this is just the perfect combination of sheer and opaque, you know, not quite sheer, not quite opaque. It's perfect. I definitely recommend this nail polish to anyone who's looking for a new nail polish, you know, that will last a long time. You get that salon style look without actually having to go to the salon. It's pretty cool. It's really pretty. It was about $7 on Amazon, which that's so cheap for such high quality. And one con about this, however, is that it does kind of get streaky, so you do have to practice applying it. Something I did that makes it less streaky is I will just right before I go to bed, I'll just apply 1 coat, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'll make sure it's completely hard, dry, and then I'll apply the 2nd coat in the morning. So that helps it be less streaky. So yeah, definitely pick this up if you get the chance. And that's it. Bye.